Greetings people, my name is Tent and my hair looks like shit today. But you wanna know what doesn't look like shit at all? It's the NFT that we are going to talk about today. But before we start with this video, keep in mind that I am not your financial advisor, I'm just a random guy on the internet talking about some NFTs that I like. So please do your own research before you buy something on the internet. With all that said, let's hop right into the video. So as you probably already can see, the NFT we are going to talk about is the Dogmanauts NFT. It's a 3D NFT collection with cross NFT breeding. The whitelists are still open. As you can see here, link is going to be down in the description. The minting is going to be on 15th of January this year. It's featured in Forbes and the team is fully doxed by Civic. There are going to be 10,000 NFTs in total. Owning one Dogmanaut NFT grants you access to their unique club, but we are going to take a look at all of this later in the video. Here we can see what the NFT is going to look like. It's basically a dog in a spacesuit doing the T-pose. So as already mentioned, the collection is going to be comprised of 10k unique 3D Dogmanauts, and owning this NFT will grant you access to their Moon Club, where you will be able to access additional functionality, downloads and integrations. And after the sale, they will be rescuing 1k real world dogs by sponsoring their adoption. So far, so good. Now let's take a closer look onto their cross-breeding NFTs. Directly influence in the next generation of NFTs by using the Moon Club to breed your favorite Dogmanauts with NFTs from other collections that you own. So let's say in generation 1 you got this Dogmanaut over here. And you are rich and have Solana Monkey Business NFT in your wallet. So the generation 2 breed will look like this. You got some original features from the first breed, like the spacesuit, the face, but when you look at the Solana Monkey Business NFT, you got the pirate hat over here and the cigarette, and looking at the generation 2 breed, we have the same attributes over here. If this is going to work like presented here, I think this is a really great idea and I'm pretty hyped about it. Elevation requires separation. Elevate your NFT portfolio with Dogmanauts leading your next adventure. So we got this little friend over here. Onto the roadmap, after they are done with the first generation mint, the Moon Club is going to launch, where you get obviously your benefits when you are holding onto this NFT. Then the cross NFT breeding will start. So everything we just talked a couple seconds ago is going to happen here. In the next step, NFTs with the faces of real dogs that as a community we've saved will be airdropped at random to Genesis holders. Later on we got some merch dropping here, Metaverse integration, Genesis alien pets and Genesis moon plots, and overall more to come. But so far I think this roadmap looks really great. On their Twitter I saw a video where a dude is chilling in the pool and suddenly out of nowhere his NFT appears besides him. I mean, can you imagine you just chilling somewhere and then boom, your NFT appears? I think it's a pretty cool idea. Onto the team we got Poor Richard, Scuberto and Iced NFT, so shoutouts to them. Also on Gen 1 you will have this rarity chart over here, where you can check how rare your NFT traits are. You can check the spacesuit, fur, pack, eyes, teeth, ears, helmet and liner. For me it looks like this right now, so I can't do really much. But later on, I think when the mint is done, it will look different for you in the future. Onto saving the dogs. I don't know if the NFT will look like this, but it looks like an adopted dog with this Dogmanauts bandana, or I don't know how it's called, but maybe the NFTs randomly dropped for you guys will look like this. And I think overall the idea of saving the dog with the help of the community is a really great idea. On the Twitter I found another picture of a dog looking similar to the one we just saw with this bandana of the Dogmanauts over here. Also, I forgot to mention that you can earn club coins for holding onto this NFT. The holders of the NFT will receive monthly airdrops of club tokens. Community members who are actively engaged and participating in our Moon Club community also receive some bonus airdrops of these club tokens. You can hold and earn your Dogmanaut NFT for monthly airdrops obviously, contribute and earn, receive bonus airdrops for contributing to the community, or you can just redeem your club tokens for upgrades to your NFTs and for Moon Club merchandise. So another great benefit on why you should hold onto this project. So another great example on why you should hold onto this NFT. Overall, I can say that I think it's a pretty cool project. The roadmap is looking promising, the benefits onto holding this NFT, and most importantly in my opinion is the 1K dogs that are going to be rescued with the help of the community. So maybe you want to be a part of this community and help some dogs. But quickly reminder, I'm not your financial advisor, so please do your own research before you buy something on the internet. And with all that said, have a great rest of your day and take care.